welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff here in downtown Boise, Idaho. Happy Friday to all of you from all of us here at Socialize Marketing. We hope you all had a great week. To end our week, we're going to be talking about why having a one-page website will not cut it in the world of digital marketing. Having a full functioning website is crucial for your business, and here's why. First off, it is really bad for search engine optimization opportunities because there is a limited space for keywords and overall content, which is what builds your SEO to begin with. Then you have factors like poor navigation and slower loading times, which also makes it harder for your clients to use. Also, having a multi-page website shows a form of professionalism to your potential clients and your current clients. And finally, having a one-page website limits your link building opportunities overall. Taking the time to invest in your website can make or break your company's online presence. For more information or to talk to a professional, make sure you go check out our website at getsocialize.com or go check out all of our social media platforms. Have a great weekend.